Welcome to the unboxing, review and shootout against the RØDE smartLav Plus of the SHURE MVL clip-on microphone. It has already been featured in a mailbag card here, link in the description. For the unboxing, review and shootout against some mobile phone headsets of the RØDE smartLav Plus, see that video here, link in the description. By the way, the RØDE is made in Australia. And we all know the world's best electrical engineer resides in Australia. And while we're at it, the SHURE is made in Taiwan. As a side note, the Sharkoon Gaming Deck Pro S I reviewed and unboxed here, link in the description, is made in China. The smartLav Plus is certainly good enough for Australia, and I have to admit I'm happy with its audio quality. But it's also very sensitive to static, so in the recordings now and then you hear a crackle. Hopefully the SHURE MVL will do better, and right out of the gate its box is about twice as big. So let's unbox it. And it's not as easy. Oops, okay. Yeah. And by the way, both the RØDE and the SHURE set you back about 50 bucks, 50 euros that is. So we have a satchel and some paperwork. Yeah, we'll have a look at that in a second. And in the satchel, which is synthetic leather, I don't like it too much. We have the microphone and the clip. Okay, let's zoom down. So the clip. Sorry. Yeah, windshield and the clip. Let's say, it's okay, but nothing to write home about. Very simple. And the microphone, it's really tiny. Yeah, this is a bit too much here. I mean, do you really need two of these? I don't think so. It's a bit of an annoyance. So we're not off to a good start here, are we? Okay, let me measure the length of the cable. It's about 130 centimeters, so 10 centimeters longer than the RØDEs. Let's assemble the thing. So this goes in here. Just clips in. This is plastic, by the way. And yeah, the windshield goes on top. That's it. Let's have a look at the paperwork. One pretty uninteresting sheet of safety advices. One obscenely large limited warranty. Double-sided, of course. One even larger sheet with instructions and certifications. Double-sided too. Let's have a look at the highlights. So, how to use your microphone. We are already after step 1, I assembled it. And yeah, 15 to 25 centimeters distance from your mouth, which is not shown here. And you plug it in. Oh, great. But there's also a complete set of specifications down to the material of the housing and what's what on the 3.5mm jack. With diagrams no less. And a frequency response curve. I already complained about the SHURE's clip while unboxing, so let's compare it to the RØDE's clip. The SHURE clip, yeah, this part is all metal, also these sharp teeth here, this is all metal and biting into your clothes. But the clip here where you clip in the microphone capsule, that's plastic. The RØDE has also an all-metal clip, but the teethy part here is a rubber bumper. And the microphone is held by a springy metal wire. By the way, I'm currently recording with my very old iPhone headset. The cables, both are about 1.5 millimeter thick. According to RØDE, there is some Kevlar reinforcement in here. Who knows? From the feel of it, yeah, there is absolutely no difference. One thing I need to mention is the cable management. The RØDE has a very nice one. The SHURE has none. And both have gold-plated TRRS connectors. So, time for a sound check. I'm recording now with the SHURE. So, this is a public test. This is a public test. This is a public test. Okay, recording now with the RØDE as usual. Let me correct the position. Yeah, same distance from wherever my mouth is. This is a public test. This is a public test. This is a public test. Of course, at this point I have no idea which one sounded better. And yeah, we are back again to iPhone headset sound. So I will cut together the sound bites and then I will give you my personal impression. This is a public test. 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 Well, they sure sound differently. The SHURE is very transparent, but it misses out a little bit in the lower frequency band, while the sound of the RØDE is more warmer because it has more of the lower frequencies in it. I'm not quite sure which again, which I prefer. Yeah, let me know in the comments. So, build quality of the clip of the RØDE is still far superior to that of the SHURE. Sound, as I said, I'm not sure which one I prefer. I guess I will use the SHURE for a while and see if I get some static crackles with it too. I mean, I would be perfectly happy with a RØDE if it wouldn't be for the static crackles. And if I come around to like the sound of the SHURE more, I can still try to mount the SHURE with the clip of the RØDE. That's it for today. Bye!